In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Wrike. Adding collaborators is a great way to share your work with clients, stakeholders, or team members who don't need full access to your Wrike account but still need to see what's going on. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can confidently invite the right people and make sure they see exactly what they need. Let's start inside your Wrike workspace. First, you'll want to select the project you want to share. Look at the left-hand side of your screen in the navigation panel and locate the space or folder where your project lives. Click through until you see the specific project you want to collaborate on, then select it. You should now be viewing that project's details, such as tasks, timelines, or a table view, depending on how you have it set up. It's important to double check that you're in the correct project so you don't accidentally share the wrong work. Once your project is open, look for the Share option. This is usually found towards the top of the project window, near the project name, or in the toolbar. Click on the Share button to open the sharing settings. This is where you control who can see and collaborate on this particular project. If you already have some people added, you'll see their names or emails listed here. Now, to add a new collaborator, move to the field where you can type in an email address. Click into that field, and carefully type the email of the person you want to invite. Make sure the email is correct, as this is where the invitation will be sent. This person can be a client, a contractor, or anyone who needs visibility into this project. Depending on your Wrike plan and settings, they'll typically be added as a collaborator with limited permissions, which is safer than giving full user access. After entering the email address, review your sharing settings one more time to ensure you're comfortable with the level of access you're granting. When you're ready, click on Save. This confirms your changes and sends the invitation to the email you entered. The person you invited will receive an email from Wrike with instructions to join and view the project. And that's it. You've successfully added a collaborator to your project in Wrike, making it easier to keep everyone aligned and informed without overcomplicating permissions or access.